everyone, I hope you're doing great. So this is going to be a hunting video and viewer discretion is advised. The hunting and killing of animals is going to be shown and there will be blood and guts. If you don't want to see that kind of stuff, then please switch off now. Go make yourself a nice cup of tea or alternative beverage that suits your philosophical, emotional or social constitution so that you don't get stressed. Right folks, let's go hunt. Hey everyone, it's really early this morning, just after 2 AM. But I've got a big walk to do so I can get round to where I need to be. The wind's in the wrong direction, completely the wrong direction today, so I'm going to have to blanket out up a big ride to cut across a bit of clear fell and come back the way I want to stalk. It's going to be far, but worth it, I hope so. Oh well, see you in a little bit. That's Mum, and there's the little one. Now that's cool. There you go. Early. But that's what makes it worthwhile. I'll go in a fawn. That's lovely. She's just going to cross the road in just a minute. But that's nice. There she goes. Go on, girl. It's all legs. That's great to see. Here's a nice buck. Well, this could be a little bit of a waiting game. He's in range, but there's quite a bit of wind at the moment, and I could do with him coming a little bit closer. Oh, we're in no rush. Well, so far he's playing lucky. Well, this boy's being lucky. He's not going the right way. Balls. There's a deer right in front of me. It's only about maybe 45 meters. I can't move from where I'm at. I sort of started walking up this little bit of hill in front of me, and it's just right off the back. I'm not going to move. I'm going to have to wait it out until it moves a bit further away. There's no way I can get set up and video it and shoot off sticks at the same time. So I need to get prone off this little stump just ahead of me, it gives me enough clearance if it moves up the hill a little bit, or over to my right where there's some open ground. It's too close. I didn't expect to see it. It's just ahead of me in there. This is not. I'll just have to wait and see. Hey! Oi! Bloody hell. Well, that sounded good. Bloody hell. Well, can't be happy with that. So he was stopped quite nicely, and I committed to the shot as you do, and that click's a giveaway. The bolt's been raised just a tiny bit. It wasn't a misfire per se. I heard the bolt click down and then the rifle not fire, so I know what's happened. The bolt's just been a fraction up and all the energy's gone into closing the bolt. So I've quickly lifted and closed the bolt and shot, but I'm pretty sure I've hit it low, and it might not be the best of shots. Fingers crossed it's a good break on the cavity, but if not, potentially it's leg shot, and I'm not happy about that. But I went to bits a little with having to lift and close the bolt, so these things do happen. But we can only go and have a look and hope we did enough. Bugger. Oh well folks, here we go. So I was worried about a bad shot. I did rush that second shot. I'd lost my composure with having to lift and close the bolt. Now that misfire wasn't strictly speaking a true misfire. I heard the bolt click shut, and that's a giveaway that the bolt wasn't properly closed when I squeezed it. Now every time you have a misfire though folks, stop, assess the situation. You could have a round that's about to go pop, okay? So I knew the difference in sound, I knew what had happened, that's fine. But like I say, if you have a misfire, do just take a pause, take a moment, assess the situation. You might not have had a round up the spout. I certainly knew I did because I checked for brass when I loaded to set off stalking. But, things like that, as soon as something goes wrong, you do lose composure. And I made a bad shot there, that wasn't great. The deer's dead, shoulders are written off I'm sure, but the rest of the carcass is perfectly clean. So I'll count my lucky stars today, because that wasn't quite the outcome I was looking for on that first squeeze through on the deer. But it's a buck down, it's some meat for the freezer, we're doing good. So we better gralk this deer out. So I'm thinking folks, yeah, the shoulders must be a bit broken on both sides. But no, that's good, the deer wasn't going to run anywhere with broken shoulders, so we're laughing as it were. But let's get on with this. Not going to mess about. It's only been dead 5-10 minutes, so we don't have to worry about tying the esophagus off. We'll just get it nice and empty and ready to travel. But it's always good when you gralloching deer to reflect on what happened, try and learn for the future, not make the same mistakes again. But doesn't matter how many deer you shot, whether it's none, hundreds, thousands, things still go wrong. And with the best will in the world, deer don't always do what they're supposed to do. But this one, Dropped pretty much a few meters from where he caught the bullet, and that's all you can ask for. Go on, doggy, you can have a treat. There you go, girl. Oh, you can't drop it, go on. But there we go, you're ready to travel. Let's get out of here. We've had a tragedy, folks. I fell on my sticks and they're a bit trashed, but it's alright. Like, share and subscribe.